Okay, folks, now here is a English translation of McGinty's Meal and Ale. This is the best I can do. It's a bit of a schlep because we didn't say a lot of these words now so much, but never mind. So this is my best English. McGinty's Meal and Ale. This is not a song of love, no, nor yet a song of money. Faith, it's nothing very pitiful, it's nothing very funny. But there's Highland Scots and Lowland Scots and butterscotch and honey. If there's none of these for everyone, there's a mixture of the three. Not to mention beef, brose, oatmeal mixture, sowens, oat porridge, salty unleavened bread, and pancakes and peas and eggs for those with dainty stomachs. But it's all about a meal and ale. Meal and ale means oatmeal, ale, sugar, and whisky delicacy used in the broader sense to refer to an event. It's all about a meal and ale that happened at Balmanic's farm, McGinty's Meal and Ale, where the pig went on the spree. They were howling in the kitchen like a caravan of tinkies, of travelling people. And some were playing ping pong and tiddly-widdly winkies, tiddlywinks. When up the small valley and down the small valley, you never saw such high jinks as McGinty's Meal and Ale, where the pig went on the spree. Now, McGinty's pig had broken loose and wandered through the lobby when it shoved open the pantry door and came upon the toddy. Now, he's taken kindly to the stuff, like any human person, at McGinty's celebration when the pig went on the rampage. Miss McGinty, she came through the house. The way was dark and crooked. She went head first over the pig because she didn't see it, and she let out a shriek that would have paralysed a lapwing, or a peeweet, as we would call it, lapwing bird, at McGinty's celebration event where the pig went on the drunken rampage. Johnny Murphy, he ran after her and was leaping over the pig when he stood on an elliptical-shaped serving plate, we call that an ashet, that was sitting full of beef dripping. And he fell down and cracked his head and burst into tears at McGinty's celebration. I just can't do this without laughing. At McGinty's celebration when the pig went on the drunken rampage. Then the pantry shelf caved in and came tumbling down, and he was lying stirring around amongst soft soap, peas meal, corn flour, and cheesy buttermilk, like a beetle among treacle. But McGinty's wife was moaning about the mess on her pantry floor and kept nagging him. That was helpful, really. Then all the crew came running through. Oh, God, that makes me laugh. And found the door was jammed fast. And the more it was pulled, the harder it held, till McGinty roared to bring an axe he would not be outdone by the circumstances. No, nor locked in his own house, in that he'd let them see. So his wife came trailing through with an axe, and through the bar was hacked, and the door shot open because they were so tightly packed. And all the crew came tumbling down like potatoes from a bucket at McGinty's social event when the pig went on the rampage. They had spurtles, which are porridge stirring implements. They had potato peelers, and faith, they were not joking when they swore they would give the pig a hammering such that he would never get up again. But by this time the beast was steaming drunk and didn't give a shit really, a dock plant, at McGinty's social event when the pig went on the rampage. Now, there's Ely pigs. I don't know what an Ely pig is. I think it's a made-up word. Can't find it anywhere. But if somebody can enlighten me, be great. Now, there's Ely pigs and jelly pigs and pigs for holding butter. Oh, but this pig was roaring drunk and lying in the gutter till McGinty and his foreman brought him out upon a shutter at McGinty's social event where the pig went on the rampage. Miss McGinty took the thing to heart and hid in her closet, and they rubbed Johnny Murphy's head with turpentine and resin. Then they covered him all over with meal and ale, and you really would suppose that he had jumped in a mason's trough for mixing concrete and risen to attend the event. But weary fall the barley brie, which is whisky, and weary fall the weather, messing about amongst mud. Dubs is sharny. Dubs is like shit and mud mixed together as far as I can think. So messing about amongst mud and drink, they don't combine well. But it's easy seeing McGinty's pig is looking for another of McGinty's social event celebration gathering when the pig went on the rampage. Enjoy, folks!